If you only did 5 exercises for the rest of your lifting life, these 5 would build almost all of your muscle. Let me introduce the 5 compound lifts that account for 80% of your size. Gym floors everywhere are full of people doing 20 exercises per session: curls, raises, kickbacks, extensions. The result is a lot of movement and very little mass. The reason is simple: they skip the compounds. Funny moment: someone doing a cable fly at peak crowd hour while the squat rack stands empty. The fly will not add a single centimeter to their chest. The squat might. A 2025 review in Jacked Coach found that multi-joint movements recruit more motor units per rep, stimulating greater overall muscle growth per unit of training time. Stronger by Science analyzed 7 studies and found compounds delivered comparable or superior hypertrophy to isolation, plus far greater real-world strength transfer. The ISSN position from 2024 agrees: multi-joint movements are the most time-efficient method for increasing lean mass in any population. More muscle stimulus, less time. 80% of your muscle mass can be built from just 5 compound lifts. That means you can cut hours of isolation work and still outgrow someone training twice as long. Step 1. Build today's workout around the 5 core compounds: squat, deadlift, bench press, bent over row, overhead press. Step 2. Do 3 to 4 working sets of 5 to 8 heavy reps on each, the strength range. Step 3. Only add isolation after if you still have energy. Compounds always lead. This is your mass blueprint starting now. The myth says isolation exercises are essential for fixing lagging muscles and achieving balance. The truth: isolation has a role, but compounds build the majority of mass first. Evidence from 2024 and 2025 suggests spending roughly 80% of your training time on multi-joint movements. Isolation is the garnish, not the main course. Today you learned the 5 compound lifts and why they dominate mass building. Stop isolating before you compound. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 16, we unlock rest and recovery, the hidden half of muscle growth that most people completely overlook.